Hello everyone, my name is Ali Asad Khan and today we'll be discussing a core internet technology, Content Delivery Networks or CDNs. So what is the CDN? Simply put, it's a global system of distributed servers that delivers content quickly. It works by storing copies of a website's content like images and videos on servers that are physically closer to you. This simple idea is key to reducing delay or what we call latency. To understand why we need CDNs, let's look at the internet without them. Every user has to connect to a website's single central origin server. If that server is far away, you get high latency and slower load times. Even worse, a sudden rush of traffic can overload and crash that server, taking the website offline for everyone. A CDN has several key parts working together. The origin server, which is the main source of all content, the edge servers, which are the caching servers located closer to the users, which use cache storage, which temporarily stores the content, the points of presence. These are the data centers that host these edge servers. Load balancers, which distribute the requests across the servers efficiently using the requests routing system, which determines the nearest or the fastest edge server. So, how does a CDN work? The process is simple and efficient. First, a user requests content from your site. The CDN's routing system immediately sends that request to the nearest edge server. That edge servers check whether the content is cached or not. If it is cached, the content is delivered. But if not, it is fetched from the origin server, it is delivered to the users, and the edge server also saves the copy for the next person nearby. So you can see that the content is fetched and stored and then provided to the client. So if another client wants the same content, the edge server can simply provide it, creating a dramatically faster and more reliable experience for every user, no matter where they are. This brings us to the main advantages of using a CDN. The benefits include better speed, reliability, security, cost efficiency, scalability, and global reach, which means consistent experience for users worldwide. In the next slide, we'll discuss security, cost efficiency, and reliability in detail. So, as you can see, a CDN significantly reduces network bandwidth costs. Bandwidth is a major expense for any major popular website. By serving content from nearby edge servers, the CDN drastically reduces the number of users connecting directly to the origin server, which cuts down on the bandwidth usage. Second, a CDN provides content availability and redundancy. A single server can easily be overwhelmed by too much traffic, causing it to crash. A CDN prevents this by distributing the traffic, and this ensures the website stays available even during the huge traffic spikes or if there is a hardware failure. Finally, a CDN massively improves security. It can protect a website from the common cyber attacks such as DDoS attacks. A DDoS attack tries to crash a website by flooding it with fake traffic. A CDN's distributed network is built to absorb this traffic, acting as a powerful shield that keeps the actual website safe and online. Of course, there are a few trade offs. Using a CDN service can involve high setup and maintenance costs. The initial configuration can be complex, and it also means that you are depending on a third party for the critical part of your website's performance. That concludes my overview of content delivery networks. Thank you for your time.